Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Wealthy Mindset. It's yours truly, Money Making Mitch. And as usual guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research. Please forgive me, I'm doing this video on my car again. I'm still on the run. Before I go on with this video, I'd like to answer a question of one of my subscribers at OEFOEKY. He asked me, Mitch, can you explain the pre-market drop to $5.25 for a moment and back to $6.10? Is that a stop loss transaction or something very curious? Yes, it's very curious, my brother. You see, the whales buy pre and post market. They don't buy during market hours. And this is a clear indication of market manipulation yet again. It shows you how Wall Street, they manipulate the numbers. It's not real. And they drug it down for that brief 5-minute window while the whales bought in heavily, and then they push the numbers back up. It's sad, but this is reality. This is why I said it. A lot of companies, if you guys do your own research, you will see are choosing to list in the Hong Kong Stock Exchange now because of this type of manipulation. But anyway, let's go on with today's video. NIO's second quarter earnings call. This is the call. NIO aims to deliver 150,000 vehicles in the fourth quarter, averaging 50,000 deliveries per month. You heard that right. NIO will launch the ES9 and the updated ES7 SUVs in 2026. The ES9 is the equivalent to the ET9 but in a SUV version. This is going to be unbelievable. Firefly will not roll out any new models in 2026. And NIO released its second quarter financial results today and subsequently held an analyst conference call. Starting this year, NIO has been building a new marketing paradigm designed to maximize the life cycle of value of new vehicles and achieve relatively stable sales volumes. However, recently the Chinese market has seen the launch of several great pure electric three-row SUVs, including models from extended range vehicles. But if you guys follow the trend and look at the delivery numbers for companies selling extended range vehicles as well as hybrids, that has been going down. So that's not a worry, because people are now realizing with battery swapping, there's no reason for the reason why people buy extended range and hybrids is range anxiety. But with battery swapping, more and more Chinese are realizing they don't have range anxiety anymore. The enhanced momentum of the NIO brand will boost sales of the NIO ET5, ET5 Touring, ES6 and EC6. In recent days, the company has seen positive signs. The move to equip the NIO ET5, ET5 Touring, ES6 and EC6 with a 100 kilowatt-hour long-range battery pack, which they just did as standard, has had little impact on transaction prices. Yes, the prices went down. And gross margins, very little impact on gross margins, as many previous promotions has been withdrawn. In 2026, NIO quarterly research and development costs could range between RMB 2 million and RMB 2.5 million, ensuring the company's long-term competitiveness. This may be subject to change due to development of new models. You see, now it's all in, most of it is in-house tech. The harvesting season has begun. In 2026, NIO has planned to upgrade the NIO ET5, ET5 Touring, ES6 or EC6. Their intelligence system have already been fully migrated to the new platform this year with NIO World Model. Their competitiveness will remain strong for the foreseeable future. NIO may launch special editions for them, such as the Champion Edition. Firefly will not have a second model next year, but possibly upgraded. Over the past year or two, NIO has made significant adjustments to its supply chain strategy, focusing more on building closer relationships with partners who believe in NIO's technological path and the company's long-term development. The NIO's brand gross margins target is 20% or even 25%. NIO aims to achieve 15% gross margin as a baseline for higher targets. Firefly gross margin target is around 10%. Onvo had originally planned to begin deliveries of the L80, but we know they have pushed that back because of the massive amount of orders we're getting in right now for the L90 and the ES8. The ES9, an all-new 5-seat SUV, will be released next year. Over the past few months, NIO has been working with its battery partners to increase capacity. As we've seen, CALB cannot even keep up, so now CATL had to jump in to give us batteries for the L90. The company aims to increase Onvo's production capacity to 25,000 units in the fourth quarter, guys. For the NIO brand, the current challenge lies in the production capacity of the all-new ES8 102 kilowatt battery pack. So Cattle and others will have to step up. Firefly production capacity in the fourth quarter is expected to reach up to 6,000 units per month. Yes, you heard that right, guys. In the fourth quarter, NIO aims to achieve a monthly production capacity of up to 56,000 vehicles to support its delivery target. NIO fourth quarter break-even target is based on non-GAAP measures. NIO aims to reduce its SG&A to sales ratio to below 10% of the fourth quarter. NIO aims for a vehicle margin of 16 to 17% in the fourth quarter to achieve its break-even target. By the fourth quarter, the company aims to achieve a 20% gross margin on the L90 and ES8 models. NIO aims to deliver 150,000 vehicles in the fourth quarter, averaging 50,000 deliveries per month, guys. Get ready. Put your seatbelts on. We're getting ready to be millionaires. NIO aims to achieve a production capacity of 15,000 units for the L90 in October. The new all ES8 will reach a production capacity of 10,000 units in October and 15,000 by December. Starting from the third quarter, NIO's sales growth will be driven by the implementation of its multi-brand strategy. The strong sales of the Onvo L90 have boosted the momentum of the Onvo brand. In August, order intake for the Onvo L60 reached a new high because the L90 brought recognition to it. As of now, NIO has opened 176 NIO houses. NIO achieved significant cost optimization, with its operating loss narrowing by over 30% quarter on quarter in the second quarter, guys. So as the albino continue to mislead people and spread propaganda, I will continue to give you guys the truth. I hope you guys found this video yet again to be informational, inspirational, and motivational. If so, guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up right there. It takes a lot of time to do these videos and editing. And if you haven't yet subscribed, you might want to think about doing so, because in this channel, we are waking up the middle class for the first time to get a major piece of the pie from the ground level up as to how the games are played on Wall Street. And like 50 said, we get rich or we die trying, guys.